I got some deliveries, and this time it is from Picole Healthy Ice Pops. These healthy ice pops are now in Cebu. So yes, karon you can really indulge yourself with a delicious yet healthy treat for you and your family. And what I am having here are their best sellers. For their premium pop, we have the berries and dark chocolate, and we also have their pistachio siciliano. And oh, we also have their new flavor, the mint chocolate. And now for the Milky Pops, we have the cappuccino. Then yay, mango! Ganahan siya kong mango nga ice pops and plus avocado. Perfect na yun dayon. And we also have kiwi for the yogo pop and chili tamarind for the juicy pop. For that, mga una dayon ta guys. And ang first yun akong gitry kay kani ang dark chocolate plus berry. Perfect yung kayo ang berry nga flavor plus the dark chocolate. And ganahan kay ko kay marag siksik gali jud kaayo siya. It is really dense. Di para sa uban like the moment you bite it mabungkag yun dayon. Kani siya is like every lick, every bite na agyud ang flavor. Diba sarap to the popsicle stick. And actually what make you want more kay sakto ra gyud ang iyahang pagkatamis. And now let's try the avocado. Excited jud kay ko mo try ani nga flavor. And if you have noticed gali na ako yung mug, I was planning to put this one with the milk. Yan ako siyang i-shake. I think perfect yun kaayo siya. Pero kanagaling murag wala na i-shake nga mahitabo kay murag mahurot na rin ako siya. Well, ganun kinahanglan pa man siya i-shake kung lami naman siya. But then again guys, don't forget to brush your teeth after eating and to follow me on all my social media accounts, and let us continue to stay safe, stay healthy, and just keep smiling. Bye-bye!